This chapter contains how to solve both exponential and logarithmic equations. This video focuses on solving the logarithm equations. These equations are just like any other of the equations we've had before except with logs. Things you need to know are how to exponentiate a log and how to solve quadratic equations.
Here is an example from the solving unit midterm, question number 6. The first thing you can do here is condense a logarithm since they have the same base, which is base 2 of log 2. This becomes log base 2x, parentheses x minus 2 equals 3. Now that the logarithms are gone, you can continue to solve the problem. You can solve the 2 to the third power. Then you can distribute the x. Then you can subtract 8 from each side to get the quadratic equation. You can solve this by factoring, like using the box method, FOILing, or the quadratic formula. You can remember how to factor by looking in sections 1.2, 1.5, 1.6, and 2.1.
Once factored, the equation will become x minus 4 and x plus 2. You can now solve for x in each equation, like so. X minus 4 equals 0 and x plus 2 equals 0. These two will become x equals 4 and x equals negative 2. Now it's time to check your work and see for any extraneous solutions. Now that you have two answers, you can replace the x in the original equation. Here we replaced x with 4, and as we can see, 4 is okay. Now we use negative 2 to replace x. But you cannot take the log of a negative number, so x equals negative 2 is extraneous solution. So since negative 2 is an extraneous solution, your answer is x equals 4.
And you can find this problem on solving unit midterm as number 6.